Linda Harrell, and I'm CEO of G Systems. We're an engineering company, and our engineers here take computers, software, instrumentation, and sensors to test products, everything from military jets to your cell phone to the air conditioner on your house.
When I was in elementary school, I thought it would be fun to be an engineer because I like to take things apart and put things together. So I would come home from school, I would go into my mom's kitchen, get some kind of appliance and take it all apart and then try to figure out how it worked and put it all back together.
When I was a young boy, I had this big desire to learn how everything works. My first experiment with learning how things would work, I tried to make my own light bulb and I burnt my fingers doing it. My mother wasn't real happy with me at that time.
One of the neat projects we work on at G Systems is a system to measure an oil field pipe. This is a pipe that oil companies use to produce oil. So you have sand and rock and oil out here, and they want to get just oil in here and pump it up to the oil well. And what we do is we make measurements on this pipe.
A test system that we built for testing helicopter parts. You can see there's lots of guts in there for doing things, for measuring signals on different pieces of a helicopter.
Hi, my name is James, and as an engineer, one of the ways I help keep people safe is I work on test systems that make sure that airplanes can detect storms.
My favorite project as an engineer is designing an application to count bubbles for leaky faucets. Before, people wouldn't have to stare and count the bubbles. So I set up a camera, and with the camera, let the camera count the bubbles, so I don't have to.
Some of my favorite projects have been where we've helped the NASA space program to make sure that the space capsule that the astronauts would travel into Mars would be safe. We've also helped the soldiers to make sure that their equipment is working properly. And we've even helped researchers, doctors, to measure brain waves to see why we sleep. When you measure a brain wave, it's just an electrical signal that helps determine, through analysis, how we dream.
And it starts at an early age. So at your age, you should be focusing on math and on science and on things that are geared towards how things work and how to put things together. And writing is important too, because as an engineer, you have to be able to express yourself, be able to design things so that other people can understand them.
You like to solve puzzles and you like mysteries. You may just grow up to have some fun being an engineer.